What happens when Mercedes-AMG takes one of the most iconic luxury SUVs in the world and turns it into a six-wheeled monster? The result is the incredible 2007 Mercedes-AMG G63 6x6, a vehicle that combines extreme off-road capability, breathtaking performance, and unmatched road presence. This is not just an SUV, it's a statement on wheels. From the very first glance, the 2027 G63 6x6 commands attention like nothing else on the road. Its massive dimensions, six-wheel setup, widened body, and towering ground clearance create an intimidating appearance that looks ready to conquer deserts, mountains, and city streets alike. The signature AMG Panamericana grille dominates the front end, flanked by advanced LED headlights with a modern lighting signature. Aggressive bumpers, muscular fender flares, and rugged skid plates enhance its off-road character while maintaining the premium styling expected from Mercedes-Benz. Moving along the sides, the six-wheel configuration immediately steals the show. The extended wheelbase gives the vehicle an unmistakable profile, while oversized off-road tires and high-performance suspension components emphasize its capability. Premium alloy wheels, carbon fiber accents, and exclusive AMG details add a touch of sophistication to the rugged design. At the rear, the truck-inspired cargo bed, unique LD taillights, and spare wheel mounting system complete the bold look. Whether parked or in motion, the G63 6x6 attracts attention from every angle. Step inside, and the cabin delivers a luxury experience worthy of its premium badge. The interior is crafted with high-quality leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber trim, and precision metal accents throughout. Every surface feels premium, creating an environment that is both rugged and refined. The spacious seating offers exceptional comfort, with heated, ventilated, and messaging functions available for both front and rear passengers. The dashboard is dominated by Mercedes' latest dual-screen digital cockpit, featuring a high-resolution instrument cluster and an advanced infotainment display. The latest MBUX system provides intuitive controls, voice commands, navigation, smartphone integration, and customizable displays. Ambient lighting with multiple color options creates a sophisticated atmosphere, while a premium sound system ensures an immersive audio experience during every journey. Under the hood, the 2027 Mercedes-AMG G63 6x6 is expected to feature a powerful twin turbocharged V8 engine enhanced with mild hybrid technology. This powerhouse is rumored to produce well over 700 horsepower, delivering astonishing acceleration despite the vehicle's enormous size. Power is sent to all six wheels through an advanced all-wheel drive system and a specially tuned AMG transmission. The performance figures are expected to be impressive. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour could happen in under 5 seconds, making this giant machine surprisingly quick. But straight line speed is only part of the story. The advanced suspension system, portal axles, locking differentials, and specialized off-road technology allow the G63 6x6 to tackle terrain that would stop most vehicles in their tracks. Deep water crossings, steep climbs, rocky trails, and loose sand are all within its capabilities. Despite its extreme nature, Mercedes engineers have worked to ensure a refined driving experience on paved roads. Adaptive suspension technology helps balance comfort and control, while advanced driver assistance systems provide added confidence behind the wheel. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree cameras make everyday driving easier. As for pricing, exclusivity comes at a premium. Industry experts expect the 2027 Mercedes-AMG 6366 to start well above $800,000, with highly customized examples potentially exceeding the $1 million mark. Production numbers are likely to remain extremely limited, making it one of the most exclusive luxury off-road vehicles ever created. The 2027 Mercedes-AMG G63 is more than just transportation, it's a symbol of power, luxury, and engineering ambition. For those fortunate enough to own one, it represents the ultimate combination of prestige, performance, and off-road dominance.